Hi bestie, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James and I'm a weight loss health coach, and today I'm sharing with you a very simple recipe, yet very delicious, creamy, and also packed with energy and natural sweetness without refined sugar. If you're a coffee lover, this video is for you. But before we jump to the recipe, let me remind you that this video, it is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance is a company registered and regulated in the United Kingdom. This one is a policy tailored for Africans living in diaspora. And the beauty about this policy, you can cover yourself, your spouse, and also cover your loved one back home. This is a must cover. I keep saying this, it is a must cover if you are living in diaspora. There is no need for you to wait until the end of life, and then now we start seeing you on social media, people saying tutachangia huyu nini because we want to take her back to Africa because she died, she doesn't have a cousin, she doesn't have a sister, have any family member here in United Kingdom or US or Canada, wherever you are in diaspora, and you don't have a family that will take care, or even when you have a family, you don't want to burden the family with your body. Yeah, let's be real. We don't want to burden your family with your body. Your body is yours. Give your body the respect that it deserves. We are respecting you here out now. We know how beautiful cars you're driving. We see how good life you're living. Yet when that time comes, you leave your family with burdens and so many things to tackle. So please visit www.diasporainsurance.com and get your quote today. You can also call the numbers on your screen or scan the QR code on your screen now. Let's get to our video today. This drink I'm about to share with you today, you can have it before you go to the gym or to do the workout. That is pre-workout drink to give you the energy to be able to work out, or you can have it in the afternoon as a midday energy drink. It is very good. It will give you the energy like ASAP, yeah? And you know what? You know what you're putting in your body. There is no refined sugar. Everything you're putting inside, it is natural. Let's do this. So I will start with banana. I'm just having a simple, small banana. I'll have 2 dates. Coffee, you can see Diaspora Insurance. If you have not yet checked them out, it is diasporainsurance.com. Check them out. This is coffee. You did just half. And then we'll put some milk, put some ice cubes. And then we lock that one. Just like that, your coffee is ready. Look at that. It is creamy. Look at that. It's so creamy. Looks beautiful. I love it. And it is less than 5 minutes. Yeah. There you go. And just like that, you have coffee. It is creamy. Heavenly. It is sweet. Nice one. Nice one. You see, weight loss journey doesn't have to be complex. It doesn't have to be complex. You only need to know what exactly you're putting in your body and what is happening. You can go and Google what banana does to the body, what dates does to the body, and what coffee does to the body, especially for women. Just go and Google. You will find all the answers. I don't have to keep on telling you and repeating what you already know. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section once you try this out how it went. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Cheers.